In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch your 2 recipe page layout to a 1 recipe page layout. First, you're going to go to your Edit button, the closest to your 2 recipe page layout. Then you're going to click on the Layout tab and select any of the 1 recipe page layouts. So I'll go with the long recipe page, click Save, and you'll notice that Crunchy Cupcakes is gone. Now, it doesn't get deleted. It actually goes back into your recipe box where it permanently lives unless you delete it from the recipe box. So to add it to a new page, you're going to click the plus sign, insert the page, before or after, go back to recipe page, select one of the 1 recipe page layouts, go to recipe, existing recipe, and we're going to type in Crunchy Cupcakes, there they are, and save. So now I can have 1 recipe on 1 page. Now if I wanted to switch it back, say I changed my mind, I can actually delete this page, which again does not delete the recipe. Then you're going to go back to the Edit button on Royal Icing. We're going to click Layout, switch it back to the 2 recipe page. The first recipe will stay Royal Icing unless I want to switch it around. I go to second recipe, existing recipe, and I type in Crunchy Cupcakes again and hit save. And there it is. So you can switch back and forth. It's pretty easy. Just make sure you utilize that search bar. That's the important part. So enjoy.